So first, when we start with the Tai Chi, that Tai Chi requires that we achieve a natural movement, okay? One of the natural movements that are very important for our school is, for example, that you can always stay upright. If you cannot do it, I will show you exercises how you can improve here. Yeah? But what you want to achieve looks like this. Yeah? You close the feet, the upper body stays straight, the hip is inside. You go down and you go up and the upper body stays upright. Yes? This is this natural movement that we could do before. Yes? But now the British toilet, yeah, we cannot move the hip anymore. Yeah? So what is important first? We must improve the flexibility of the ankle. When we are in this posture, the ankle must move 45-degree angle. If we cannot move 45-degree angle, the posture cannot stay upright, okay? So this is number one. Number two is that we can move the knee. So we should be able to rest the upper leg and the lower leg so it can connect. Otherwise, we always have stress in the muscle. Yeah? So this way, you connect and you can relax. Yeah? This is also very important. Next is the hip. Yeah? Most people do it wrong. They're doing like this, and then they try to reach the ground. You know? You can try, relax everything, and just move here. Yeah? Just move here and touch ground. Okay? So we try improve the hip now, yeah, before we start with the Tai Chi training. So first we close the hand, we breathe in, push up, and you push the hip inside, okay? Do not stick the hip out like this. Stick the hip in, yeah? Push up strong, yes? And now leave the shoulders behind, yes? And slowly go down with the upper body and move the hip. And touch ground. The knees stay straight. Yes. Try to touch the ground, yes. I think almost everybody can do it. But if you're not used, you don't know. Huh? In China, everybody can do this movement because they can move the hip, okay? Okay, relax, slowly go up. Breathe in, breathe out, push up again, and turn to the left side. And try again. Upper body straight and move the hip down to the ground and touch ground here. The knees stay straight. Yes. Yes, very good. Keep doing. I think you can do it. Yes, see, you can do it. You just relax, okay? Just relax everything. If you have tension in the muscle, you have problem with this movement, you know? Okay, so slowly go up. Breathe in, breathe out, push upward, and we change to the other side, okay? And slowly go down here. And touch the ground. Very good, yes. So good, yes. Yes, just relax everything, okay? Okay, relax, slowly go up. You know, often the stretching can be conflict with yourself. Because if you try to go slowly, the muscles become hard, and then you cannot move anymore. Yeah? It's like you cannot further relax. So if you keep practicing often, yes, and you see no improvement, you can try relax more easy. You know, when you relax everything, the tendon and the muscle don't have tension. So when everything is no tension, yeah, we can go down, no problem. You can try out for yourself if you feel relaxed. But if you try to go slowly, you have tension, yes, and here conflict, you fear, then you already decided, oh, now the pain coming, you know. The same goes when you try to do split. Yeah? When you try to do split slowly, oh, so painful. Yeah? The split in China, we practice for many years. Yeah? Everybody can do it because the tendons are already used to. The tendons are already used for the split. So no slow, you know. Just relax. Yeah? You go down, split. There's no pain. There's no tension, there's no pain. Yeah? So if you're feeling, oh, this so hard, yeah? Then you think, how long you practice? Okay, I try for a long time now. Yeah? The tendon should be relaxed. Then just trust yourself and go down. Okay, it's no problem. You can go down here, no problem. Yeah? If you try slowly, oh, this is very hard, you know. Just easy, relax. You can touch, okay? Also, when we are in Tai Chi, we have all these postures, you know. All these postures we do also in the Qigong practice can be very hard because you're tired and you're using up a lot of tension and this using up all the oxygen. And then you cannot hold anymore, yeah? And then it's coming to you this internal conflict, okay? So be aware and try to improve your tension so you don't use as much oxygen. Then your stretching will improve a lot, okay? Yes, I see often when people come here and start in the school, they have this problem, you know? They really think, okay, I need to improve, you know? And then they focus too much and they really try to push down, you know? But if you have tension and you try too much, you hurt yourself. Yeah? If you have no tension, you cannot hurt yourself. Yeah, there's no tension. Yeah?